Hello friends, welcome to Little Minds Biggest Achievers Education. In this video, we are going on a fun adventure with add sound words and egg sound words. Are you excited friends? Yes, let's explore together. Add sound words: dad, bed, mad, lad, said, bad. Let we do it one by one. Dad. D-A-D. Dad. Bad. B-A-D. Bad. Mad. M-A-D. Mad. Bad. P-A-D. Bad. Lad. L-A-D. Lad. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Egg sound words: bag, tag, rag, sag. Let we do it one by one. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. Rag. R-A-G. Rag. Sag. S-A-G. Sag. Wow! You are a very great learner. Thank you for watching. If you like, then share and subscribe to become a family.